Chris B. Sardane, and to our barangay officials, barangay treasurer, and barangay secretary, and also to our Sangguniang Bayan members, Honorable Michi Tubaya, Honorable Ma'am Iman Sanizi, and Honorable Bernadette Barro Osejo, and lastly to our Honorable Cesar Blanco. Maayong gabi kaninyong tanan. Ug sa tanan katawhan dinhi kanaa karon maayong gabi sa tanan. Daghang salamat sa inyong pag-ani, ilabi na sa atong mga barangay officials nga nag pahihuna ani nga event, and especially sa atong barangay Tanods, and also sa ato guardians. Daghan kaayong salamat. Dili tungod ninyo, dili ni mahitabo nga event. That's all. Thank you.
There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much. Our SK Chairperson, the Honorable Frema Partosa. Thank you for the warm welcome. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we won't hold you long. Please help me welcome on stage our Bikini Babes in their production number.